Raag Gauri Guarairee is the Raag we will focus on next month. We already went through Raag Gauri last month and made our experiences with it. So now again a Gauri? Why is that so? What are the differences between the two? So let's imagine two different persons speaking to us. Raag Gauri is the person like your very dear and very close friend, appreciating what you already reached. Yeah, you've done well. Great job. But don't you think you can even do better? So go on learning. That's good. This is the voice of Raag Gauri. Raag Gauri Guarairee has a very different approach. It's still the message, go and learn, but in a very different shape. So now we are confronted with the voice of a teacher, a very good teacher who is really interested in improving, in our improvement. And this teacher speaks very directly to you. If you don't go on learning, you will not reach your goal. Go on learning. So, these are the two different persons. This direct approach of Raag Gauri Guarairee, this direct voice, is supported by a very big energy. A lot of energy is telling us this. Go on learning. Will you be with us this month? Will you share your experiences, your little daily moments of Gaurairee? We're looking forward. Sat Kartar.